Hey everybody, imagine I have this button and I want to give this button specific style and name and font and everything, and I want not using in one button, maybe I have second and third button using sharing the same these feathers. I cannot go to every button and adding these feathers. It will make your code complex. Even when you want to update these feathers, you will have a hard coding. So it's better to go to style file and define your style. So to define style, just say I have a style, and this style, give it any name. Let me name it button button set only. Then you could open and add this style, any styles you want to add. For example, first item, I would give it the layout width. For example, layout width, layout. Layout width, I would give it full parent, like equal to full parent, not full parent, wrap content. Let me give it wrap content, or I could give it match parent. For example, I could give it every button match parent. Let me give it another properties. For font size, for example, or font color, Android, for example, color. I would give it the color for the font. Let me give it specific color. I will give it F, or I could use this pink color. I want to use this color, for example, for it. So I'm using color pink. And you could give it another properties, for example, item, then give it alpha for it. You could give it a lot of properties. So alpha like how is the appearance for it. Let me give it, for example, 0.5. So okay, I have number of properties I am setting for this style. So whenever I want to this style, when I want to use it, let me go. I want to use this button. Okay, what is the button? Here is the button. Let me view it for you so you could see it. I just select the style. Let me give it at what the folder name. The folder name is style, and I select just style in this way. Then what's the name of style I have? This button style. If you see in the button, it's changing. Everything is changing. The color, the alpha, and everything is inherited from that style. So I could go here and apply same style on this one. That's great. Two buttons having same style. If I go to the style and I want to update something, I want to change the view to 0.9 to make it more clear. So if you go back, you see the view in both of the not only this thing, you could do style. You could inherit another type of style. If you see this style for the system is inherited another type of a style for dark background. So what the style of the system? What I mean by this one? If you see, this is my activity. This is the top. This is the menu. This is here. I could change all these colors and manage them. So let me go to this Windows in Android and this website to show you what every parts mean. If I want to change this color, I have to add this properties for color prink dark. If you see in my design, I have color prink dark. He give it this color, and therefore when you go very top, you see this color. So you could change it this color. You give it any color you would like. Also, if you see to this website, you see this color mean color primary, this menu. So if I want to change menu color, I could change color primary from here. For example, you could give it white space, the one that we give it already before a few seconds. Then when I run again, I will see this menu not in the color, in the red color. I was in the white base. See it? See the menu changed here at the top? Let me go back. So this means I'm talking about color primary. There is another properties for text color. Even the text here, you could change the color for background windows, and navigation bar color. This navigation, you could change it. So if I go here, I would say, okay, I would add navigation new in style item. I would say navigation. If I'm recording navigation bar button, navigation bar color. Then I give it specific color. Let me give it this color. I would give it this, just like this color. But if you see this line, he say this only work with version API 21 and after. So this means if you run it this color on device with API version less than 21, you will not see this result. Just make me sure this one is already Avid and run it again. So this is not the problem, but this means this you will see this color here in API version 21 and after, but before you could not see this color. Also, as I told you, you could change another thing like Windows background. So if you define another color for Windows background, you could change Windows background. So here we define the style, and here we done. And see you next.